How to hide your birthday on Snapchat profile. Hey everyone, if you're wondering how, let's find out in this video. First thing you do is open up your Snapchat, and then from here you just want to head over to your chat section. Once you get to your chat, what you want to do next is simply tap on the top left corner on your profile. And after this, as you can see, my birthday is showing right here. Right besides my streak, here is the birthday card. And then if you want to hide it from others, tap on the profile settings at the top right. Then click on birthday. And now from here, you just need to make sure that this birthday party option is toggled off. And on your astrological birthday, you could clear it as well if you want. And just make sure that this one is toggled off or turned off, and then go back. Now, if I just head over to my other profile, I won't be able to see this birthday because it's now hidden from others. And that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.